Spiritual Journey in Ramadan. Ahmed's short story. It was the month of Ramadan, and Ahmed was feeling excited and grateful. He had been looking forward to this month all year and was eager to renew his spiritual connection with Allah. Ahmed had grown up in a Muslim family and had always observed Ramadan, but this year he felt a renewed sense of purpose and dedication. He had been struggling with some personal issues, and he saw Ramadan as an opportunity to turn his life around. Each day, Ahmed woke up early for Suhoor and then spent the day fasting and praying. He found that the discipline and focus required for the fast helped him to stay mindful and centered throughout the day. As the days went by, Ahmed felt a deepening sense of connection with Allah. He spent more time reading the Quran and reflecting on its teachings, and he felt a renewed sense of faith and hope. One evening, Ahmed went to the mosque for taraweeh prayers. As he stood among the other worshippers, he felt a sense of unity and brotherhood that he had never experienced before. He felt grateful to be a part of the Muslim community and to share in the spiritual journey of Ramadan with others. As the month drew to a close, Ahmed felt a sense of sadness mixed with joy. He was sad to see Ramadan come to an end, but he felt grateful for the spiritual growth and connection he had experienced during the holy month. On the last night of Ramadan, Ahmed went to the mosque for the final taraweeh prayers. As he stood in prayer, tears streaming down his face, he felt a deep sense of peace and surrender. He knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, he had the strength and guidance of Allah to guide him on his path. As he left the mosque, Ahmed felt renewed and uplifted. He knew that the lessons he had learned during Ramadan would stay with him long after the month had ended, and he felt grateful for the opportunity to deepen his faith and connection with Allah.
Subscribe at Billionaire Promise for more Ramadan stories.